Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp Malai curry. We will begin by marinating your fresh shrimp. Take about 1 pound of shrimp, peel and devene them, then gently toss with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Let this sit for about 15 minutes while you prepare your other ingredients. This simple step helps infuse flavor right from the start. Next, let's build the rich base for our curry. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 1 large, finely chopped onion and sauté until it turns a beautiful golden brown, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Then, stir in 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and 2 slit green chilies, cooking for another minute until fragrant. This creates a wonderful aromatic foundation. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Pour in 1 cup of full-fat coconut milk, stirring gently to combine with the spice mixture. Bring this to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld for about 3 minutes. Carefully add your marinated shrimp to the simmering gravy. Cook for just 5 to 7 minutes, or until the shrimp turn pink and opaque. Be careful not to overcook them. To finish our delightful shrimp Malai curry, stir in about 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala powder. This adds a beautiful, warm aroma and depth of flavor. Give it a final gentle stir, then turn off the heat. Garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro leaves for a vibrant touch. Serve this rich and creamy curry hot with fluffy steamed basmati rice or warm naan bread for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.